Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Smash to transfer large files. First of all, you have to enter Smash from smash.com. After clicking on the first link, you will get to see this kind of interface. Just simply click on this button and it will redirect it to your Google file manager and select the file you want to upload. Right? For example, this is the file. This is a small file because I don't want to upload give a time. If you want to upload larger file, keep in mind that Smash allows only 2 GB of file. After that, you have to pay. In free version, it is only you can upload only up to 2 GB. So make sure you have selected the file size of below 2 GB. So 2 GB. After clicking on the file you want to upload, just click on open. Now as you can see here, he has given two options. Either you can send via email or you can create a link. In my example, I will simply create a link. So give a title example whatever, and give the email and required email to download files, or you can just unclick just get a link and it will upload the file. Here you can see the file has been transferred. Just copy the link, as you can see here. Just copy link and share with someone who you want to share. If this video find helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.